Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this outdoor folding table. So I was given this product to me free by the manufacturer, but I was not paid for this video. So the outdoor table is very stable. I'm going to show you how to fold it up. It's very easy and portable. So the table left to right, 47 inches. Off the ground, it's right at almost 29 inches. And then front to back, 22 inches. So I like that it has kind of like a wood grain texture to it. Now again, it is stable. I really do like that. Okay, so here's what it looks like underneath. Now I'm going to show you how to stow everything. Now we've got these feet. So we got these feet that we're going to take these off first. And these store right here. And you've got 4 of them. So you're going to snap them on right there. And again, each one's got this feet. They're not adjustable or anything. You're just going to press that button, and they come right off. Okay, so all 4 of those feet are stowed. Now we got these locks. So we're going to kind of poke these or push these locks kind of up. Now when you're opening the table, you're going to do the same thing. Make sure one's on one side, one's on the other, and that locks it into place. But now we're just going to unlock it. Okay, so now we're going to stow them. And sometimes when you're stowing them, you got to lift this one lever just above that screw just a little bit, but then these will snap into place. We'll do the same on the other side. Again, it kind of catches down here a little bit. Just lift that up a little bit. And now we can fold it onto itself. Now when you fold it onto itself, it does have this nice handle. There's an opening for the handle to stick through. Now we're going to fold it up. These things are going to catch and kind of hold it closed. These go into these receptacles here. And you also got these little clips here. So when you're closing it, just kind of snap it, and it's held closed. The table's got a little bit of weight to it, but I do like that handle. So fold it up. Looks like you're right around 23.5. And thickness-wise, you're right around 3 1/4. So this outdoor table is very nice. Thanks everybody for watching.